Hello, students. This is Dr. Griffin, your instructor for this course. This assignment is the written assignment. It's a written assignment requesting you to view the YouTube. The YouTube is on credibility. So I want you to listen carefully to the YouTube, jot down some notes as well as you're listening to the YouTube. I think that's the best way to do it so that you capture some key points as you go along. It's probably a good idea to listen to it 2 or 3 times so you get the grasp of what the TED Talk is all about. Now, after you've done that, taken some good notes after listening to it again 2 or 3 times, you're going to be preparing your response here in APA PowerPoint. Now, I've given you, or an APA, excuse me, I've shown you an APA PowerPoint presentation included in this assignment, so I want you to use that as a guide. You're answering the 4 questions that are given. Explain the purpose of this YouTube video, explain the key issues, what are the most important information from this YouTube, and then figure out what you would be able to tell someone else, classmate or colleague, what this podcast is all about. So those are the 4 questions that you need to answer. You're answering it in one complete narrative, i.e. an essay. So you don't just go 1, 2, 3, or 4 and answer the questions. They should be all part of the essay, okay? So I want you to write, again, one complete narrative, answering the questions embedded in the essay. You're writing a title page. Check the APA PowerPoint so you know how to do that I've given you. And then you're writing 2 to 3 pages of content. Then you must reference the podcast. On the PowerPoint presentation, the APA PowerPoint presentation, I've given you how to cite in the reference section podcast. So look that over carefully. Probably a good idea just to start with the APA PowerPoint presentation. Take a good look at that. It's pretty lengthy, so you won't need all of that information, but zero in on the format. There are some sample ones at the end of the PowerPoint that you can use to see how you should format. The ones that are given are much more detailed. You're just beginning to write an APA. I'm not asking for perfection here. I'm just asking that you can get a good start in trying to write an APA. So you're going to summarize what you see or what you hear in the YouTube. All right, again, write some good notes to it. Sit down and put your notes together. Look at the questions and figure out the best way to prepare your narrative, i.e. essay. Again, title page must be formatted properly. Then 2 or 3 pages of content, and then referenced. You're only going to have one reference here. This is going to be the YouTube, okay? So you're using this as a YouTube, not a podcast. So it's a YouTube. So you're going to look on how to cite a YouTube, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you. And good luck with the assignment. And again, if you have questions, please let me know, okay? All right, so good luck with it, and